iCoin shifts from other computerized monetary standards, but the coin isn't recorded on any crypto and non-crypto exchanges. It has gained a ton of thought and interest all over the planet. The Pi coin doesn't have an expense as of now. Regardless, the solid specific supporting of the Pi network has proactively attracted a lot of committed fans and computerized cash lovers restless to sort out Pi cost assumptions. Could we see how high the coin's expense can foster? By seeing Pi coin cost assumptions for 2022 to 2030. Shared by computerized cash subject matter experts, the Pi network is novel in various ways, and not in light of the fact that the advanced cash isn't recorded on any exchanges. Yet taking everything into account, the Pi coin is to some degree easy to mine. The planners expect that you can mine the advanced cash on your PTA. You simply need to download the Pi network application and get a hello from existing trusted in people not at all like different. Applications for mining. The Pi application is eco-obliging and doesn't exhaust your phone battery. It benefits from clients vouching for each other as they endeavor to get their record. To start mining the Pi computerized cash, you need to open the application something like once every 24 hours and tap the lightning button. You can accelerate in various ways. You can obtain higher rates. In case you're an early part, you can make a 25 prize by inviting other trusted in people to join the Pi application. In 3 days of mining the Pi computerized cash, you become an ally by inviting 3 to 5 people to join your accepted circle, which grants you to foster your benefit and work on the overall security of the Pi Association. Pi network is an electronic cash project. Its essential goal is to bring in computerized cash mining more open. Unlike mining Bitcoin, which has put cryptography of 10 million clients was reached as an element of the Pi undertakings. Phase 2 clients can test Pi node on their PCs, test Pi wallet and Pi browser, which was officially followed through on 1 April 2021. Pi really remains in the pre-release mode in this manner. In case you're examining whether you can buy a Pi coin for your portfolio at this point, it's ridiculous. Clients who have mined the Pi coin simply get a potential chance to pull out or exchange coins during phase 3 when the computerized money moves to a decentralized blockchain. While the advanced cash stays in the testing period, clients can't move Pi coins. It's done to hold fake records back from accumulating Pi coins. Clients can regard wallet changes when the computerized cash shifts from the testnet to the mainnet, and when the blockchain network is totally sent. At this point, the Pi coin isn't available to trade on any computerized cash or exchange stage. The coin's expense isn't as yet spread out while the Pi coin is in phase 3. The computerized cash's holders can use the coin to buy things and organizations on PIS common business places while accepting control over their public and secret keys. The Pi holders can't spend the advanced money without these keys to start mining Pi coins. One necessity is to present the Pi mining application, which fills in as a computerized cash wallet related with a client's PTA or Facebook account. Like other public blockchains, the Pi blockchain licenses outside wallets to hold Pi coins and submit trades directly to the Pi blockchain. Regardless, these methods are impossible considering the way that the planners haven't conveyed the source code, yet early adopters anticipate the future expense of the Pi Association to increase after phase 3. In spite of the way that the coin's mining rate has been diminished by parting, one can anyway extend the Pi mining rate by partner with other unique earth movers, according to the Pi Adventures designers. Individual associations overhaul the security of the Pi network by getting friends and family. Some could feel careful, ensuring that such a plan of the Pi network could be a deceitful plan of action anyway. Not the least bit like the MLM plot. The Pi network clients can acquire coins from the prompt associations of their affiliations. Close to the completion of 2021, the affiliation started conveying tech and thing updates to additionally foster the Pi ecosystem. The Kick app pilot is recorded among the improvements that have been conveyed on a limited reason. The inspiration driving using the Kick app pilot is to deal with the application's usability, further develop machine robotization, and start the affirmation connection of the Pi holders. As a part of the turn of events and improvement process, the Pi Block Explorer has similarly been conveyed. With its help, pioneers can